Hello, I am CH Lokesh Reddy from CSC Shikshan. Today's my topic is deforestation. What is deforestation? Deforestation, the cleaning or trimming of forest by humans. In the practice of clear cut, all the trees are removed from the land, which completely destroys the forest. In some cases, however, even particle logging and accidental fires, thinning out the trees among the changes to forest structure that dramatically. The causes of deforestation. Deforestation causes directly or indirectly. Among direct causes are natural causes as fires or floods, etc. Human activities as agriculture expansion, cattle building, timber extraction, mining, oil extraction, dam constructions, and infrastructure development. Among indirectly causes, insufficient political activities and government failures or independent land tenure system, wrong public administration investments, pollutions and social economical causes as polluting ground military conflicts and climate changes. The main causes destroys can the main causes of deforestation can actually be laid back especially to sub, substance of forest or with cultivating and breeding, timber extraction, firewood collection, road and infrastructure constructions, cultivations and livestock farming. We should consider in fact that which leads to substance of the forest area which cultivation and livestock farms that impact in much higher because of the extraction of most trees which are distance and timber cultivation. Forests are set on fire causing a great impact on local animals and plants. Timber extraction, centuries old trees are cutting down to make timber or cellulose of the further and paper industries. Any system employed to wood cutting causes serious damage to ecosystem, and the damages are amplified by construction of roads, requiring of vehicles to transport chopping timber to the destination. Firewood collection, the activity is undertaken especially by native popularities which due to recent pollution growing must provide a energy source for the survival. This phenomenon adds the large scale industries timber expansion, road construction. Besides the construction of roads transporting timber, also dam constructions and industrial expansions of mining contributes in messy deforestation. Thank you.